Today I want to discuss the template effect. Hi everyone, myself Dr. Digna Varghese. Synthesis of macrocyclic ligands. In chemistry, macrocyclic ligand is a macrocycle with a ring size of at least 9 and 3 or more donor sites. Synthesis of macrocyclic ligands occur in two ways mainly. One is in the presence of metal ion and the other one in the absence of metal ion. Macrocyclic ligand complexes are involved in a variety of fundamental biological systems. Examples include photosynthesis, which proceeds due to magnesium macrocycle chlorophyll, and various electron transfer reactions which occur in cytochromes. So, macrocyclic ligands are very important ligands for the preparation of macrocyclic complexes. Template reactions. In template reactions, the macrocyclic ligands are generated in the presence of metal ions. In the absence of the metal ion, the same organic reactants that we are used in the presence of metal ions, which will produce a different products. Often it is a polymeric product. Once again I will tell you, if the metal ion had not been present, that means in the absence of metal ion, the condensation reaction of the component ligands would have been an unclear polymeric mixture and not a macrocycle. Template reactions term is mainly used in coordination chemistry. A template reaction is any class of ligand based reactions that occur between two or more adjacent coordination sites on a metal center. Template reactions are those reactions that is used for the preparation of macrocyclic ligands here. So macrocyclic ligands are generated only in the presence of metal ions, otherwise it will breaks into different polymeric products. A challenge with templated synthesis of macrocyclic ligands is difficulty in removing the templating metal from the ligand. That is its limitation. Because when we are using a metal ion for the synthesis, it will form actually a complex with the macrocycle ligand. And if we want to prepare the pure ligand only, or a pure organic compound which can be act as a ligand, there is some difficulty in removing the templating metal from the ligand. That is its limitation. Porphyrins, which feature 16 membered central rings, form in the absence of metal templates. Porphyrins we know they have long been recognized as potent ligands in coordination chemistry, and porphyrins are formed, that is a macrocycle that are formed in the absence of metal templates. Okay. But in the case of 18 crown 6, that can be synthesized by the Williamson's ether synthesis using potassium ion as the template cation. 18 crown 6 is stabilized when using potassium ion as the cation, or this reaction is done only in the presence of metal ion. The corresponding alkylation in the absence of a metal ion would yield polymeric products. So crown ethers arise from dialkylation that are templated by alkali metals. Nature choose macrocyclic derivatives which give enhanced kinetic and thermodynamic stabilities, such that the metal ion is very firmly held in the central cavity of the ligand. So the biological function is not impaired or reduced by competing demethylation process. In the case of hemoglobin, there is a porphyrin ring system which is attached to the iron metal, and that is a naturally occurring macrocyclic ligand. porphyrin. So there is an enhanced kinetic and thermodynamic stabilities such that the metal ion is very firmly held together in the central cavity of the ligand. So the biological function is not reduced, or it is not decreased by competing demethylation process. Phthalocyanin was the first macrocycle synthesis by template reaction, that means in the presence of metal ions, bearing strong structural resemblance to natural porphyrin systems. Here you can see phthalic anhydride heated with urea. We will get phthalocyanin, that is represented as H2PC. Here the hydrogen is these two hydrogen, that is coordinated to metal in metallophthalocyanin. To prepare these complexes, the phthalocyanin synthesis is conducted in the presence of metal salts. Here you can see such a reaction. Here a metal phthalocyanin, that means the complex of phthalocyanin rather than the pure phthalocyanin, due to the greater research interest is in the metallophthalocyanin, that is MPC. And here you can see a derivative of phthalic acid which treated with urea in the presence of a metal salts at 210 degrees Celsius. We will get the metallophthalocyanin, that is the complex of phthalocyanin. If metallic salt is used, here is copper, we will get copper phthalocyanin. The application of this compound is, it is used in dyes and also used as pigments. The course of the templated cyclization depends on the presence of metal ion, which is provide a directional influence, therefore acting as a template for the cyclization reaction. Here you can see phthalocyanin in the presence of copper, salt and urea. We will get copper phthalocyanins. Here copper acts as a, or it provides a directional influence for the cyclization reaction. So it acts as a template. The metal ion may direct the condensation preferentially to cyclic rather than the polymeric products, or stabilize the microcycle once formed. The template effects emphasizes the pre-organization provided by the coordination sphere, although the coordination modifies the electronic properties such as acidity, electrophilicity, etc. of ligands. So there is, due to template effects which emphasize the pre-organization provided by the coordination sphere, which modifies the coordination modifies the electronic properties of the ligands. Template effect. A wide variety of macrocyclic ligands can be synthesized by template approach. A metal ion template reaction is on, in which a coordination of at least one reactant molecule to a metal ion is necessary, either for the reaction to proceed or to change the product distribution in favor of a specific macrocyclic compound. This means that the presence of the metal ion is controlling the synthesis. This is known as the template effect. The template effect is demonstrated in two ways: the thermodynamic and the kinetic template effects. The origin of the template effect may be either kinetic or thermodynamic. The equilibrium template effect or thermodynamic template effect is that The complexation to a metal ion stabilizes one component of a mixture, shifting the equilibrium in favor of production of a metal complex. Whereas the kinetic template effect is that the coordination of reactive groups to a metal ion, which then holds these groups in the proper geometry, favors an intramolecular cyclization. Okay. The size of the cation used as the template has proved to be of importance in directing the synthetic pathway for macrocyclic systems. The compatibility between the radius of the template cation and the whole of the macrocycle contributes to the effectiveness of the synthetic pathway and to the geometry of the resulting complex. Once the macrocycle has been formed, it is a normally stable on its own due to macrocyclic effect, and the metal ion may be removed. If the metal ion may be removed from the complex, it will leave a multi-dentate ligand that can be used to complex other metal ions. Here you can see a zinc macrocyclic complex formed by the combination of pyrrole benzaldehyde. In the presence of zinc, we will get this type of macrocyclic complex. Here the zinc acts as the template, which is used for directing the synthetic pathway for such macrocyclic complex. So here also the radius of the zinc cation, that is the template cation, which will match the whole radius. So this will contribute or resulting the geometry of the complex. Another reaction, a metal ion such as nickel 2 can be used to assemble a group of ligands that then undergo a reaction among themselves to form a macrocyclic ligand, that is a cyclic molecule with several donor atoms. Here 4 donor atoms, that is 4 nitrogens, which is attached to the nickel atom. So the template effect is the phenomenon which is applied to produce a surprising variety of macrocyclic ligands. Here we are discussing a more complicated macrocyclic ligands like rings and knots. For example, the condensation may stem either from the increase in the rate of the reaction between coordinated ligands or from the added stability of the chelated ring product. Here you can see it is a polydentate ligand that in the presence of a copper it form a macrocyclic ligand, and in some other reactions it will convert it to ring type compound. More complicated template synthesis can be used to construct a topologically complex molecule such as the chain-like catenanes, molecules that consist of interlinked rings. An example of the synthesis of a catenane containing 2 rings is shown here, that is the copper reacts with a multidentate ligand to form a macrocyclic ligand or a complex here that will undergo some reactions to give catenanes like molecule. This compound contains 2 rings. Even more complicated systems, that is equivalent to knots and links, can be constructed with the multiple metals. here you can see the synthesis of a trefoil knot, the multidentate ligand that reacts with the metal and forming a macrocyclic complex undergo reactions to give a trefoil knot. Other template reactions such as Mannich condensation, Schiff-base condensation, the condensation of formaldehyde, ammonia and tris-ethylene diamine, cobalt-3 to give a cladro-chelate complex, the phosphorus analog of an asa ground be prepared by a template reaction. Metal phthalocyanins are generated by metal templated condensation of phthalonitriles. So condensation reaction is a reaction in which a bond is formed between the two molecules and a small molecules such as carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, etc. can be eliminated from the product. Template reactions proceed similarly in the absence of the metal ion or a templating ion. The condensation of acetone, ethylene diamine, which yields isomeric 14-membered tetraasa rings. So now you are familiar with what is the template effect. Template effect is nothing but it is the phenomena which is applied to produce a surprising variety of macrocyclic ligands. So I conclude here. Thank you for your attention.